Hey y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. Your girl is a hot mess, okay? In the previous video, I forgot to charge my mic. Now my mic is charged and I forgot to turn it on. But basically, we're doing a little get ready with me. I'm going to dinner with Bae for my birthday. And so I just wanted to, take y'all along with me. I did go ahead and refresh my hair because my hair was getting all crusty and dusty. So I went ahead and twitted it up and I used the Donna's Recipe extra creamy hair cream, sweet potato pie. Y'all know I love this stuff. I swear by it. I'll have a link down below in the description box for y'all just in case you want to check it out. But yeah, I was running short on time. I was running around like a little chicken with my head cut off, and that totally makes sense why I did not turn on my mic. So, y'all are going to get this get ready with me. We're going to be doing makeup, hair, the whole nine. We're going to be doing a wear test, all of that good stuff. We're also going to be trying out the new Fenty concealer that I had picked up in my last video, my haul. So I'll just go ahead and link that video up in the cards for you just in case you missed that. But before we get into this video, of course, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos weekly, and this week you're getting a week of uploads. So if you're subscribed, you done hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and get into this get ready with me.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you've forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
I'm back from dinner. We had a really good dinner. I actually met a subscriber today at the place where we went to dinner. I was walking in and she was like, "Do I know you?" And I was looking at her like, "Do I know you?" Like trying to see if I know her. And then she's like, "Do you make YouTube?" And I was like, "Oh yeah." So we introduced ourselves. So, hey Brittany, if you're watching this, it was so nice to meet you. She was there with her boo thing for Valentine's Day. So, but yeah, so this is what my makeup is looking like. It's only 4 hours later. I got done getting ready about like 5:30, 5:45, and I believe it is 9:30 right now. So about 4 hours. And I do like the concealer. I just think the color is a little bit too bright for my liking. So I'm trying to find it. Here we go. 370N is just a little bit too bright for my liking. It didn't look crazy. I'll actually insert a picture. We took a picture with flash. And it doesn't look too bad. You know, like if your concealer is super light, that flash gonna tell on you. So it didn't look too bad, but it is a little bit brighter than I would like. But that's on me. You know, I'm the one that picked the color. But as far as the actual consistency goes, I feel like it blends in well, and it obviously blends in very well with the Fenty Stick Tint Foundation. So love that, because y'all know that I love this freaking stick foundation. So I love that this concealer works well. And I definitely do like it. I feel like it's hydrating. I don't feel like it's drying. It looks just like my other favorite concealers that I use. There's no excess creasing. Of course, my under eye is always gonna crease. That's just what happens. There's no concealer that I use that doesn't crease. But it just looks normal. It looks good. I like it a lot. And my hair still looks good as well, which I love. It did shrink up a little bit. Like, it almost doesn't seem like I blew out my hair and then did this on top. Maybe because me going in with a second round of the product, maybe it reverted my hair a little bit. It just doesn't seem as stretched as it was previously. But it's super defined and fluffy, and I love it. So that is it for my Get Ready With Me. I will link all the products down below in the description box for you so you can check them out, because I know I didn't really have time to tell you about each of them as I was applying them because I was in a rush. All the products will be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy Get Ready With Me's, where I do like my hair and my face, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know down below in the comments, and I'll definitely try to keep those videos coming for y'all. But yes, y'all, thank you so much again. And as always, I'm so thankful and grateful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.